Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design where you want to add animated text. This could be a social media post, presentation, video, or any project you're working on. Once your design is loaded and ready to go, you'll need to select the text element you want to bring to life with animation. Click directly on the text you want to animate. You'll notice the text becomes highlighted with a selection box around it, indicating it's ready to be edited. This is important because Canva applies animations to individual elements, so make sure you've selected the correct text layer before moving forward. Now, look at the top toolbar of your screen. You'll see various editing options available. Click on the button that says Animate. This opens up Canva's animation panel where you'll find all the different animation styles available for your text. The Animate feature is what transforms static text into dynamic, eye-catching motion that can help your design stand out and grab attention. Next, you'll see a selection of animation styles appear on your screen. Browse through the available options and select an animation style that fits your design's purpose and tone. Canva offers various effects like fade-ins, slides, bounces, and many more creative options. Each style creates a different visual impact, so choose one that complements your overall design aesthetic and message. Take your time exploring the options to find the perfect animation that matches what you're trying to achieve. Once you've selected your preferred animation style, click the preview button at the top of your screen. This allows you to see exactly how your text animation will look in action before you finalize anything. Watching the preview helps you determine if the animation speed, style, and overall effect work well with your design. If you're not satisfied with how it looks, you can always go back and try a different animation style until you find the one that works best. After you're happy with your animated text, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Download. This will prepare your animated design for saving. Canva will process your design and create a downloadable file that preserves your text animation, typically in formats like MP4 for videos or GIF for shorter animations. And that's it. You've successfully animated your text in Canva, adding visual interest and professional polish to your design. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.